Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Today we are working on a BMW X1. Pretty simple door panel takeoff. All you should need is a T20 screwdriver and a plastic pry tool, because we're going to have just one cover to worry about, and you're going to have 4 T20 screws. So first we'll go ahead and pop our cover. You're going to have this one right behind the grab handle. I like to start at the top. You can use a pick on this, but this material is pretty sensitive, so I try to use a plastic pry tool. And sometimes you can get lucky and come up top, kind of like so. Just pop it free. It's just 2 little tabs holding it on. That will show one of the T2 or the T20 screws. So you're going to have one behind the grab handle, one kind of underneath the grab handle, and you're going to have 2 underneath the door. So we'll go ahead and start taking those out. Alright, so we got the 2 up top. Now the other 2 are going to be underneath the door panel. Alright, now that we have our screws out, we can go ahead and pry the door panel off. Once again, just grab your plastic pry tool. These are kind of tight. Sometimes the clips do like to stay behind, but you can pop them out and just reinsert them back into the door panel. But I like to start at the corner and kind of try to work the bottom first. Alright, now that we have the bottom free, just kind of work around the sides. Alright, like I said, they are kind of tight, just be careful. Whenever you're trying to get a clip up here, don't pry it down here because you'll put a lot of stress. So just kind of put your hand as close to the clip as possible and then kind of pry it up because they are pretty tight. So now that we have all the clips out and the screws out, now we can kind of just wiggle up. And there you go. So that is how you take off the door panel on a BMW X1. Thanks for watching.